Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to upgrade your level on Hala Livestream app. This is actually a new livestream app. So this is the homepage of my Hala Livestream app. So the first thing you have to do is to open your livestream app. The next is to click on the main option here, click on the level option, and make sure you have a good network connection in order to access any of this level. Okay, right here you're going to see the level option and the level logo. So as you upgrade to any of this level, there's a logo that will be symbolizing the particular level that you are. For example, we have level 1. To upgrade to level 1, you need 3,000 coin for the upgrade. And we have different kind of level. We have the wealth level and we have the charm level. So this charm level still have up to 1 to 99 levels, and then you still need, you need 3,000 coin to upgrade to level 2, and you'll be given 3,000 points for your upgrade. So automatically, if you upgrade from level 1 to level 2 in this charm level, you'll be given 3,000 points for upgrading, which is like an appreciation or incentive, and you can easily convert your points to any currency of your choice depending on the country that you are. So guys, that is it on how to upgrade your level and earn money on Hala Livestream app. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.